Never buy Hermes online.
What?
I got an Hermes online order. Come again, my uncle? Wait, what are you talking about? I'm confused. You always talk about buying Hermes online. Caveat, let me explain. I'll talk about it whilst we unbox, okay? 2 caveats, actually. Never buy Hermes online yourself. And 2, unless it's a bag or something that you have to get right away that's gonna go out of inventory. Anything else, it's part of Hermes tips and tricks for playing the Hermes game. From my own experience and my own knowledge, that's all. No affiliation to Hermes, no paid by Hermes, no influencer by Hermes, nothing like that, okay? So the 2 caveats were, like I said, 1, only if it's something that's limited edition, if it's something that's gonna go away on the website, like a bag, right? If you have to get it right away, because the drops come and they drop and they're gone so quickly, so just get that. But if it's anything else that's sitting there for a while, don't buy it yourself. Your Hermes online account and your Hermes store account are separate accounts. They're 2 separate profiles. They're both under you, but they're 2 separate profiles. So anything you buy online will not count towards your pre-spend in the store to help you get your bag with your SA. But you can go to the store and buy the thing online in the store with the SA and still have it delivered home. Like, you'll buy it from the website through them and have it delivered to your home as if you ordered online, but you pay there and it goes towards your spend at the store through the SA, everything like that, and your pre-spend. So that's what I did here. I took you guys with me to the store and I picked up this free shipping, ground shipping, or whatever. There's 3 different options for shipping. Usually comes in a bigger box and it's like a really nicely packaged with like this little white Hermes box. Yes, I'm a hoarder. Yes, I keep every box. Okay. I shop so much. What do you think? I'm not gonna keep all this stuff. Okay. So there's this small box. It comes in like that, little cute little box, and it has a little note and stuff like that. It says, you know, bienvenue. And can you re-gift it? Great for re-gifting. And then there's a medium-sized box, and then I have the larger boxes too somewhere. But medium-sized box is kind of like this with the tray and everything, and the ribbon, and this must be the receipts. Oh my God, why did I look at that? Just give me. It's okay, it's already paid for. It's already paid for. Credit card's already paid off. The other thing with buying it online, besides building that history, is you get to go to the store, visit them, show face, and then usually you would be able to go and pick it up too in store and show face again. But they've actually gotten rid of the option of picking it up in store now, so it gets delivered. But you can always go back in and say thank you. So I would always have it delivered to the store so I could do another like face visit, see everyone, you know, play the game a little bit more. Like, hi, just remember I'm here. How's my wish list? Blah, blah, blah. Talk amongst yourselves while I figure this out. These. Anyway, so this is the gift I got that I'm gifting. So we're going to unbox it real quick, and then we're going to rebox it. And then I can take you with. This is a different version. So it's got the whole thing inside there. Maybe I'm not unboxing it right. It says everything in there. Bienvenue, blah, 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 merci, all of that. And it comes like this. Wallet, recette, in a little package. Price in here. Double check that. Okay, all right, okay. Whoa! Oh no, no price. It's a gift receipt. And a little note. The note that I wrote. So I wrote a note, and then they printed it and put it in a little card. How cute is that, okay? Should we unbox it? Sorry if you're watching. I'll unbox it really gently. I'm a pro at this by now. Okay. So this was the thing I ordered. They did not have it in the store, so I had to order it anyway on the website because I wanted to get, but at least I got to order it and go to the store and make a whole thing out of it. So it is, ooh, so soft. So it is the Hermes wallet in gold, in Evercolor, blue Hermes silk as like the lining inside. Oh, so nice. Okay, let's leave it alone because this is a gift. Oh. Just scratch it. I did. Okay. All right, we're gonna put it back away. Nah. But you get it, okay? That was my tip, not my unboxing. Always buy it from the store, online from the store, unless you can't wait, okay? Hold on, bye.